Generate a video using AI in minutes, using InVideo. This AI video generator can transform a basic prompt. Within a brief 5-minute time frame, there's no need to handle recording or editing of footage and voiceovers. Also, take note that the free account allows you to produce up to 4 videos per week. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to leverage a simple idea to craft a high-quality video quickly. Start by signing up on InVideo.io, which will redirect you to the AI tool. Here, we'll guide the AI to create a video to illustrate how the tool operates. Similar to ChatGPT, providing detailed prompts yields better results. So let's start. First, you can choose or select the workflow you like. YouTube Shorts. It is a vertical video that is 60 seconds or less in length. YouTube Explainer. Create in-depth or short videos that explain a concept from start to finish. Recent event videos. Create a video using a URL to pull script and some content from another website, or you can choose script to video, if you have or you want to provide a script for your video. Once you have selected your video type, you will find a setting that allows you to choose the gender of your AI voice, including custom options. Additionally, you can select from various voice types. Another option available is the inclusion of subtitles. Lastly, you can make your choice for the media to be used. I will be choosing YouTube Shorts, outline the desired tone, and input my video topic. We'll share this prompt along with other examples in the description. Feel free to tweak minor details to generate your videos. When you click on Generate in InVideo, the AI will prompt you for additional details, such as the target audience and the desired look and feel based on your initial prompt. After making these selections, InVideo will create your first draft within minutes. If you are not satisfied with the result, you have the option to modify or regenerate it. Simply click on the plus icon, select Edit Prompt, and add any additional information you wish to include. If you need to make any minor adjustments to the video, just use the command for video editing here and click on the Generate button. And if you want to make changes to the media and script, simply click on the Edit button. Once you're done editing, click on Apply Changes to save your modifications. Then if you're satisfied, just click the Export button, and when you click on the Export button, a pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you will find options to select watermarks, AI branding, and resolution. As I am using a free account, I will choose the stock watermarks, normal quality, and 1080p resolution. After making these selections, click on the Upgrade button. Once the upgrade is complete, you will be able to download the video. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for watching.